Hello everyone and welcome to Off-Grid Camping, and if you're new, my name's Peter and I'm back out again. If you see the last video, I was going to Wales. I didn't do much wild camping in Wales. I stayed in a bothy for 2 nights, but I put a short on yesterday about that, so you'll see that on there. But I'm just at the local forest again, where I camped in the last video. So I camped on top of that powder magazine last time. And then the video that I did where it was a camping disaster was right here. But what I'm going to do is walk further in, find a different spot altogether and test out this new fire pit that I've got, because there was a comment on the last video by one of you subscribers saying that I should really get a fire pit. So that's what I did. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and thanks to all the subscribers that have subscribed recently. Cheers. So all this bracken's now dying out since the last time I was here, because it's November now. So if you can crush all this up into a ball and make like a bird's nest to start a fire with it. So we might try that later. Or I've got some fluff from a tumble dryer, so we'll see if that works as well. So this is the camp spot that I've been clearing for the last couple of months. As you can see, there's loads of places to camp here, but in this video I'm probably going to camp beyond the pit that I camped last time, which was there. So I camped in that crater there, the hammock. I'm going to go further up today into the trees, so let's go and have a look. I'm trying to stay away, I'm a bit close to the house there, so I'm trying to stay away from the house so I don't disturb them during the night. I know who it is, it's a friend of mine, but still I don't want to be making too much noise while they're trying to sleep. So I imagine this spot here is decent. Got a silver birch tree there as well. So I'll probably go from this tree here across to that one and clear this for firewood. So let's set up camp. So these are dead trees. I'm going to move them, and then this is going to be the where I'm going to have the hammock. There's going to be a tree on top of the tarp, but I'm not too bothered about that. But this is perfect for lighting a fire. It's all just dead. So I'll be gathering a lot of that in a bit and then starting the fire. Right, so that's most of that dead wood cleared from here. There's just some dead stumps left there. Can't do much about them though. I'll show you from this side how much space we've got. So now I could either go from that tree to this one, or that one to this one, but I think I'm just going to go there and then have this as a fire area just here. So I'll get the hammock set up. So as you can see, it got dark pretty quickly. This is the setup I've gone for. Literally just tied these guy lines to the trees just to pull that out a bit. I've left the front open. I'm going to have a fire in front. I'm still using same old cheap hammock. Does the job, but this light go any brighter. Yeah. So I've got the night car pump and light there. So yeah, this is the setup. I'll show you the back. So I've got all this room here. I'm going to store my bag and stuff like that. I don't think it's going to rain, but I've got a ground sheet as well to go down there. And this is it from the back. So you won't see that from the field, and you shouldn't see the fire from the field either. So let's say the fire's going in front. So I've got all this wood to prepare, and then I'm going to chill out by the fire. I'm glad that's set up. It took me about 40 minutes. So this is what I'm going to try out tonight, the Eurohike portable mesh fire pit. It's only a lightweight, 680 grams. I'm not too fussed about all this weight stuff when it comes to camping. But I do know after Christmas my bag will be half of what it is now, because I plan on doing a lot of bivvy camps, and I've got a new sleeping bag coming, so I'm looking forward to that. See what you get in this box. Nice little carry case of that. Oh look, no instructions. Nightmare. I'm terrible with without instructions. Oh, we'll have to figure this out. Bring you back in a minute. So if that doesn't work, I've got some of this fluff from a dryer. That definitely will work. So let's try that. I tried with that. Let's put the fluff in. I must be doing something wrong with that, I think. See that, the fluff straight away. I don't know whether the ash falls through the bottom or whether it stays on the top. I'll have to keep an eye on that. I don't know whether it goes through the bottom. I'm not sure you're supposed to stack this high, but I'm not putting any more on for a while. Yeah, so I just wanted to explain why this channel's going really slow. Because I run a mine exploration channel, and I was in Wales, which I said at the start of the video, so I was saving up for that. Plus it's getting colder now, the colder months, and this one Tigris underquilt's only rated to 10 degrees. I'm pretty much pushing it tonight because it's 8 degrees tonight, but I've got 2 layers of clothing on, so it should be alright. But yeah, the things that are coming on this channel is I'm going to be doing more island camps with Danny, and then I'm going to be doing a lot of bivvy camping. I've got a bivvy and I've got a new sleeping bag coming Christmas time, so straight after Christmas I'll be doing bivvy camps. I'll pretty much be everywhere, up mountains, in caves, wherever, you name it, I'll probably do it. I won't be doing roundabout camps, I know that much. I don't really trust the roundabout camps in case of a collision or something like that, so I won't do a roundabout camp. But yeah, but up until Christmas I'll probably be just coming in this woods. This is the local woodland to me, so I'll probably be coming in here up until Christmas time, and then after Christmas I'll be doing the other camps. So I just want to say thanks for checking out this channel, and what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to chill here. It's like 6 o'clock and it's pitch black, so I'm just going to chill here. I've got 4 beers, I'm going to have 4 beers. I'll probably be in bed by 10 o'clock. I'm back to work tomorrow, so just going to enjoy the night. So yeah, I'll try and put a little bit more video together before I end up going to bed. I'm hoping that fire's not too close to this tarp again, because if you watch the old video you'll know that I burnt a hole straight through my tarp and then I had to patch it up. I can probably move that back a bit. It's going to take me a while to get through all this wood here, and then I've got that one. Just going to have a look over here. I think it's just a bog fest over here. Water. Yeah. And then the public footpath's just there. That's a good little camp, that. And then just here in front of me, this is where we done the other camp, and I know that this is a huge dead tree here I planned on cutting last time, and there's a bunch of it just there as well, just in front. On my day off, probably going to come cut a load of this and store it in the powder house where we camped on the last video. I've been given permission to leave it there, so I'll probably do that so I can still go camping when it's raining. Yeah, if anyone's interested in the mine explores, I'll put a link to the channel below, and I'll put a little clip on screen now of what happened in Wales, just so you know what to expect if you click on the channel. But that's why I wanted to make this channel separate to the mine explores, because they're two completely different things. I didn't want to complicate things. This fire's going absolutely brilliantly. Look at this. Yeah, that little campfire there was £10 from Go Outdoors on Black Friday deal. Running low on dry wood. I'm going to go to that spot that I showed you earlier. I'm going to cut some more. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's only 8 o'clock. But we definitely need some more wood. Definitely dead. Morning. I fell asleep last night. I forgot I was doing a video. That's where I stayed last night. That's where the fire was. But I packed it away. Got to get home pretty sharpish. I've got work tonight, so I'm gonna have to go and have a proper sleep. That fire pit, it was decent, but the only problem is putting it away on the morning when the these connect together. So obviously when there's a fire, they've warped, so you can't undo them. Well, that's the only thing. But I don't mind carrying it like this, to be honest. But yeah, if you like that video, give it a like, subscribe, or consider subscribing. Thank you very much. I'm hoping to get out in 3 or 4 days time after I've done these night shifts, but I'm not sure where. Could be here. I might quite tempted to camp on the alum quarries on the edge of the cliff, so we'll see how we get on. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.